Ikinagalak ng palasyo ang naging pasya ng Korte Suprema kaugnay ng RH Law, bagamat may mga mahahalagang bahagi ng naturang batas ang hindi inaprubahan ng Korte. Para sa detalye, balitaan mo kami, Rocky Ignacio.
Hihintayin pa ng Malacanang na mabasa ang kabuoang desisyon ng Korte Suprema kaugnay ng Responsible Parenthood at Reproductive Health Act of 2012 na constitutional maliban sa ilang provisyon.
My initial reaction would be we would have to wait to read the entire decision, especially given the fact that the report states that some parts were declared unconstitutional. Given that the responsible parenthood law has several important aspects, we would like to be given the time.
Idineklarang constitutional ang batas maliban sa Section 7 at 23 o ang pagkakaroon ng access ng pamilyang Pilipino sa family planning.
Access in Section 7 is not the only provision for access. I also understand that there is a Section 10 for the process in the distribution. But again, do not hold me to that because I would need to read the entire decision, as well as the votes, the concurring opinions, as well as the dissenting opinions, if any.
Wala namang nakikitang indikasyon ng palasyo ng desisyon ng Korte Suprema ay magresulta pa ng pag-alma ng simbahang Katoliko.
At this point, we cannot say. We really cannot say. But whether it will be a Catholic revolt, should it be true that the Supreme Court has upheld the constitutionality of the Responsible Parenthood Law, is something that remains to be seen. However, there are no indications of that at this point.
Handa na maanyang pamahalaan na ipatupad ang naturang batas. December 21, 2012 nang lagdaan ni Pangulo Aquino ang naturang batas. Subalit hindi agad na ipatupad dahil sa pagkwestiyon ng ilang grupo. March 28, 2013 nang pigilan ng Korte ang implementasyon nito. July na magpalabas ng indefinite extension ng status quo ante-order ang Korte Suprema.
We have been ready from the day that it was signed by the President. So that would be the Department of Health. And I understand that, yes, they have been putting it off, or at least because of its compliance to the TRO that was issued.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Rocky Ignacio.